Hello everyone. Today I have the very different topic. I am just talking about that quotation. One word can shape your destiny. Yeah, I am talking about the word which is related to the ideas, and ideas can shape your destiny also. Sometimes it happen in our life. Many ideas just passes through your mind, but we are not just paying the attention very seriously. We just think for a moment and just leave it for a long time. Okay, so after passing so many days, we once again realize that yes, once I just thought that this concept which has already stolen by anyone, and he already proved that it was the best one for us. And then why did not we just pay attention, and why we are not going to take seriously? There is one writer who has written the very best quotation: the printed word can transform the world. See that, try to understand. The printed word can transform the world. Actually, what is going to happen, you know that the very small ideas. For example, I would like to take the example of the McDonald. I think so all of you have listened the name McDonald, which is the great name actually, which has itself has a brand. We are talking about it already. In 1990s, he has opened almost 14,000 franchises in the world. 14,000, I am talking about 14,000 franchises open in the world, and nearly about the 1 million people working as employees in McDonald. So see that one. At that time it was has its own big industry, and it has started in those times. And then what happened in 1990, there was one hamburgers a cup salesman who has the great idea, and he just shared with the McDonald. And then what happened, you know that the hamburger stand stood in 1992. Actually, I am talking about the person whose name is Ray Kroc. Try to listen carefully. I am talking about the great personality who proved that he had the great ideas, and he also resulted in the greater success. Yes, he had the best achievement in his life. And how did it just happen? The Ray Kroc in when he was at the age of 20 only at the age of 20, he started his own business, and he started work on the some different that time the Lily brand was going on tremendously in the world over. So he started the making the more advertisement, and just taking initiative to make the advertisement in the world. And he started that time, he started this industry in those time. And what happened, you know that, so he started his own ideas how to sell the products in the market, and he just got the success. He got the tremendous success. At the age of 23, he became a very successful person as a salesman. And after passing that one, Ray Kroc in 1955, he started his own company. In 1955, and then there were already 200 franchises in the world. 200 franchises. You know that why it happened? Because he liked to work seriously on his own ideas and try to implement them in your daily routine. He taking very seriously all ideas and try to implement them in your business strategies. And then what happened? Ray soon paid the McDonald brothers as big nearly about $2.7 million. Yeah, he bought McDonald in 1955. And then you will see that McDonald Corporation owns now the Hamburgers University. Ray Kroc has started Hamburger University, and he bought that McDonald, which has the very tremendous network, and even he bought it. So it is really very tremendous. So very outstanding performance you can see there. Ray Kroc has that ability to implement the every idea, and he implement the every idea also to shape his own destiny. Yeah, he proved it. He proved it. So don't forget to work on your own idea. Many times it happens, you know, that you just come across with any quotation. For example, early in the morning you just open your WhatsApp or any other social media, and you just come across with the very beautiful quotation which inspire you early in the morning. Then what happen in the afternoon? And then what about in the evening? You totally forgotten about that idea. It means that somewhere you inspire, it means that somewhere it has the good quality, somewhere it has that motivation, and then what happened? Because you are not stick up with your goal, you are not stick up with your own achievement, and that is the thing. That's why there is the beautiful quotation, one word can transform the entire world. Yeah, it means that एक शब्द भी पूरी दुनिया को बदल सकता है. Yeah, so there are so many branding. I would like to also share that there are so lots of examples. For example, nowadays in the marketing strategies, people like to just follow the some color branding. You can see where you just encounter with some banking sector. See that one. If there is a SBI, State Bank of India, so you will find there is blue color. So you can see from the long distance easily. Yes, there is the State Bank is available there, so we can visit very easily. ICICI Bank, which has the maroon or red color, so from the long distance we can also recognize it. It's easy for us. You can see HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has also its own logo, it has its own color, so it is very easy to understand. So branding is also working somewhere. Means color, if there is the color which is the great identification of that concept. Actually, to put the color, to put your branding, to take the any particular font, those things are playing very important role in the marketing strategy. You will just find out that. That's why I'm telling you, one idea also shape your destiny. अगर आप कुछ बनना चाहते हो लाइफ में, तो एक वर्ड भी आपकी जिंदगी बदल सकता है. एक छोटी सी कल्पना, अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द योर ओन स्मॉल आइडिया. इट कैन बी वर्क, बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, हाउ यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक द वेरी सीरियसली, and how you are just going to learn about, how you are serious about your own achievement, because you can also put your own destination there if you want to really successful in your life. Yeah, I am truly impressed with the chapter which I have already read from this book, You Are Destined for the Skies. Really beautiful chapter, and its name is Ideas Shape Destinies. You can transform your destiny, you can change your fate. So whatever you think, and when you just feel that it's a really good one for me, then work on it, don't lose it, don't give up at the middle. Okay, just set it and just go for it. I hope, because there is also one conclusion, it has been also very good written here. Actually, ideas rule over. I would like to just read for all of you. Continue to rule the world over today, whether we realize it or not. Sometimes we are not going to realize that if it is really work or not. Just leave it as it is. Okay, you should not just think at the initial stage, just leave it for its own work, and ideas will shape the destinies of men and women and the world in the years to come. So if your eyes, the beautiful quotation is written here, if your eyes are set on reaching the skies, pay attention to every idea that passes through your mind. Those passes through your mind. जो भी मन में कुछ भी कल्पना आती है, तो we have to take it seriously. It may, the small idea may be the great for your great destiny. And cherish it, pursue it diligently, seriously. So if you work on it, you will be the very successful person. So don't forget it. Try to work on every idea. So good luck on behalf of me, and just work on it seriously. Take care. Have a nice day.